Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find requests and specific questions for you on Quora. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. Then go to the third icon at the bottom of the screen, that pencil icon, and now the first option is for you. Here are questions for you, and you can answer them if you would like. Then the request. Ask for answers from other users by clicking request answer on a question. Requests you receive will show up here. So here you can find your requests, and there is this last option, the answer drafts. Start writing answers by finding questions to answer in questions for you. So here will be your answer drafts, and if you do not have the time to finish your answer, you can come back here and you can finish it and post it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.